There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't
Hello
know if
everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kavya and I create content around beauty, fashion and lifestyle vlogs. If you're new here, make sure to stay connected to my channel Moonstone Kwan for more exciting journeys and creative content. In today's video, I am taking you along on a special trip to Hasanamba Temple in Asan, Karnataka. If you haven't heard of it before, do not worry. I'll tell you why this place is so unique and why we decided to go there. So here's how it all began. We hadn't had dinner, but we made a quick stop at Kentucky, a well known dosa joint in Bangalore. Each of us grabbed a dosa, simple, satisfying, and then on the way, we had to pick up one of our relatives who was joining us for the trip.
एहसास है जैसे तू पास है मेरे पास है ऐसे not sleeping well.
And here we are on the way to pick up our. We almost reached our relative house.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that
So, with everyone on board, our drive to Asan officially has begun. The weather was so just perfect, cool breeze, clear skies, and we vibed to songs in all languages from Bollywood hits to Kannada classics. The playlist was on fire.
when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
So vibe with me with the
The roads
songs
were
that I'm
so
playing.
empty.
And I really think the night journey is really good. We even took a chai break midway and I had lemon tea.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay
And after that little tea recharge, we were back on the road. And before we knew it, we reached Asan and wow, Hassan was glowing. The streets were lit up beautifully, giving off such a festive vibe.
there's not much
It
to
felt like the whole city was
all
celebrating
I
this moment.
can is thinking about you.
Now, let me tell you about the Mahatva, the significance of the Hasanamba
Know if
temple.
you are,
This temple is
'cause
dedicated to
you
goddess Shakti,
got it.
also known as Amba
Must be
or
nice and
Hasanamba. It
lonely.
dates back to 12th century and is a stunning example of Hoysala architecture. What makes it truly special is that the temple is only open once a year during the festival of Deepavali.
I hope that you are
Yes, you
safe
heard it
and
right, just
that I will
once a
see you
year.
soon.
The rest of the time, the goddess is believed
Promise
to
me
reside
that
in the
you
temple
won't
in
go
spirit, and
without.
devotees wait all year for the sacred window to offer their prayers. There are many legends surrounding this temple. One says that goddess moved from Varanasi to settle in Hassan, blessing the city with a Another
Presence.
fascinating belief is that the lamp lit inside the sanctum stays burning for the entire year, even when the temple is closed. Please quote that even when the temple is closed and the offering remains fresh. It's considered a powerful and mystical place deeply rooted in devotion and tradition. So stay tuned as I take you inside this rare and divine experience. Let's explore the beauty and rituals and the energy of Hasnamba temple together.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
So to visit Goddess Shakti at Hasanamba temple, there were different categories of tickets available: 300, 1000 and a special golden pass. We decided to go with 1000 rupees pass per person. Why? Because during this time, lakhs of devotees gather just to catch a glimpse of the goddess, and the queues can stretch endlessly. So it's a truly sacred experience, and many chose to wait patiently as part of their devotion. However, since we had elderly family members with us, like a mother, we wanted to ensure their comfort and avoid the long wait. That's why we opted for 1,000 rupees pass, and instead of the free entry, it allowed us to have a smoother darshan without compromising the spiritual essence of the visit. Now I'm going to stay quiet and let you soak in the serene and divine atmosphere of the temple, just taking the energy, the devotion, and the beauty of the sacred.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, we reached the temple around 4:30 a.m., having left Bangalore at approximately 12:30 a.m. The journey was smooth and the darshan was surprisingly quick and easy, which felt like a blessing considering how
There's
packed the
nothing
place
I would
was.
do when all I can
I'm quite
do
sensitive
is
to
thinking
loud noise
about
and
you.
prone to
I
migraines, so
don't
I had to plug in my
know where
earplugs.
you are,
It was just too
cause you
overwhelming with all the sounds around
might
and with all
spin
the
me
peoples around me.
wrong.
So, despite the crowd, we managed to have a peaceful darshan. We offered our prayers, received the laddu prasadam along with other offerings, and then we made our way out of temple. We recharged our car, and then we left to Bangalore.
That's it. For more such videos, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video of the short. Until then, take care. Bye bye.